What up guys, it's your boy K-Flow. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the transmission fluid on your Toyota Tacoma. Let's get this thing started. This video was brought to you by K-Flow's Crib, your #1 resource for Tacoma DIY projects. All the links to the tools and the materials used in this video will be in the description below.
So the first thing we do is jack up the front and the back of the truck so the truck is pretty much leveled. Here I'm using ramps in the front and jack stands in the back. Then we find the fill and the drain plug on the transmission. The fill plug is located on the driver's side of the transmission, right next to the drive shaft, as you can see here. The drain plug is located right underneath the transmission itself. We use a 24mm socket to break loose the fill plug and then finally open the drain plug so that we can drain all of the old transmission fluid. We can take the magnetic drain plug and clean it with a rag before reinstalling it onto the transmission, and that plug should be torqued down to 27 foot-pounds. Now we can start pumping manual transmission fluid back into the transmission. And the manual transmission on the Tacoma requires 2 quarts of 75W90. You know you've put in enough manual transmission fluid once it starts overflowing at that fill hole. Finally, we can reinstall the fill plug using a 24mm socket and tightening that down to 27 foot-pounds.
So that's pretty much it for this video guys. Make sure you hit that like and the subscribe button. Till next time, peace out.